welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Meta AI not showing on WhatsApp. There are different reasons why Meta AI is not available on your WhatsApp account. And in this video, we'll discuss with you a few approach that you can use to resolve this problem and have Meta AI on your WhatsApp account. To get started, head over to your homepage and long press the WhatsApp app. You can do this or just go to settings and look for the WhatsApp app on your app list. Now on the app info page, just go ahead and click on clear data. So by clearing the data of the app on your device, you'll be able to free up the cache of the app, which will require you to reopen your account on WhatsApp, and this could probably solve the problem connected with low storage space. Another approach would be through checking up updates on the Play Store. Let's head over to the Play Store and search for WhatsApp. If there are updates for WhatsApp, you'll be able to find an update button instead of an open button. If this doesn't work as well, then the best thing that you can do is to wait for the Meta AI feature to be available to your country, since the Meta AI feature of WhatsApp is only available to limited countries. And there you have it, folks. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to keep updated with our latest updates.